Number 10, Alpamayo, Peru. This stunning mountain sweeps steeply upward, a pyramid of ice with extraordinary vertical lines along its face. There is no other mountain on the planet that shares its unique shape and features. In a 1966 survey by the German magazine Alpinismus, it was voted the most beautiful mountain on the planet. Number 9, Mauna Loa, Hawaii. In terms of area, this is the largest volcano on the planet, taking up 5,271 square kilometers and covering half of the Big Island. While the smoothly sloping peak may not have the highest elevation measured from sea level, measured from the seafloor instead, it rises 9,168 meters. Number 8, the Spectre, Antarctica. The Organ Pike peaks surge upward from relatively flat, snow-covered surroundings, lending them a surreal appearance. The tallest and most striking is named the Spectre, but it is impossible to look at the Organ Pike peaks without viewing them as a whole. Number 7, Machapachar, Himalayas. This unusual-looking mountain located in the Himalayas rises 7,000 meters above sea level and has a name which translates to Blackfish. This peak is very recognizable, featuring a sheer, steep, curved face on one side that plunges downward. Covered in snow, it makes for quite a striking sight. Number 6, Mount Eger, Switzerland. This mountain is rather imposing to look at, but also very beautiful. Its rock face is quite challenging to scale, and many climbers have perished in the attempt. It was first climbed from the north side in 1938 by Endero Hekmer. Number 5, Ema Dablam, Nepal. This mountain is quite amazing, and has a very unique appearance. Looking at it, you will notice that there are a number of sharply contrasting, surprising angles in the rock. When snow settles on the peak, you will see these unusual angles even more clearly. Ema Dablam is one of the most amazing mountains in the world, there is no denying. Number 4, Table Mountain, South Africa. This mountain, like Kirchhoffel, is another horizontal peak which does not reach particularly high. Despite this, it is very lovely to behold, especially as it rises against the sea, echoing the strong horizontal of the ocean. It is a unique peak which is different from any other in the world, and is instantly recognizable once you have seen it. Number 3, Kirchhoffel, Iceland. This mountain is not particularly huge or tall, and it actually has more of a horizontal than vertical profile. The lines of its sediment are very pronounced, though, and have an orderly, sculptured look. The slope of the base is very smooth and even, creating a symmetrical appearance. So despite the fact that it is not particularly vast, it has its own unique, almost architectural beauty. Number 2, Denali, Alaska. If you want to see a truly tremendous mountain which dominates the skyline like no other, you will want to journey to Denali, Alaska. Many tours go to Denali every year, featuring amazing views of the mountain which towers 20,320 feet above the landscape. Just looking at photographs of Denali, you may feel dwarfed and humbled. Number 1, the Matterhorn, Switzerland. This mountain peak is going to be high on a lot of lists. While the beauty of any given mountain may be subjective, there is no denying that the Matterhorn is striking enough to stand out. It is immediately recognizable, even if you have only seen it in photographs a handful of times. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe now.